This might be the most secure glueless install that I've ever done, and I'm so excited to get into the details with you guys. Today I'm partnering with Klaiyi hair, and this is their no slip wig, and the name pretty much sums it up. So let's take a closer look at the cap construction. First thing I noticed, it's got this silicone elastic band running through for that 360 grip. It also has a deep stretch cap, and to make it extra secure, it also comes with the adjustable elastic strap. It sort of tightens like a bra strap. You can adjust it to the size of your head, and it literally just melts the lace to your skin. I'm obviously doing a glueless install today just to really test it and see how secure it is. So after tightening the strap, this is what it looks like. There's no glue, no hairspray, and it feels super secure on my head. One thing that I notice sometimes with glueless units is that there's lifting or gaps where you could see that the lace isn't fully flush to your skin, but this lays so beautifully and it feels really secure on my head. What I especially love about this unit is the texture, and this is the Yaki straight style, and it really just gives that soft, natural blowout look, especially for the girlies with type 4 hair. This mimics our hair texture and just looks a lot more natural, like you just went to the salon for a blowout or for a silk press. It takes heat really well. I decided to add some wand waves to this unit, and with hairspray I find that it holds beautifully. Overall, the hair is super soft. It's not too glossy or shiny, it just has a healthy luster to it. Overall, the wig really does live up to its name. It's just really engineered well. The cap, although it's super secure, it still feels lightweight. What I love about it is that it's really beginner friendly. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, which really minimizes the potential for shedding. But I own a handful of Klaiyi wigs, and I really don't experience shedding with their units. They do a really good job with the cap construction and don't tangle easily, and all of those things really do contribute to the longevity of the unit. I feel like there's so many cute hairstyles that you can do with this parting space, and overall I'm really impressed with just how easy and effortless this unit is. I'll have all the details outlined and linked, but feel free to drop a question down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next one.